that.
We are guaranteed at least 60 rounds here in this map of Anubis. Guaranteed it.
Absolutely insane.
Have you ever wondered what it takes to dominate in the longest Counter-Strike 2 match ever? Over a couple hours of intense gameplay, one of the star players had a secret weapon, the MKX Beast X Mini wireless AK mouse. Today I'll be showing you why this mouse might be the ultimate tool for esports legends. Alright, let's talk specs. First, we have 8K polling rate, delivers ultra smooth and responsive gameplay with minimum input lag. And we have lightweight, just as 56 grams, designed for precise and excellent gaming sessions. Battery life lasts up to 90 hours on a single charge with rapid USB-C charging for minimum downtime. Sensor equipped with a PAW3950 optical sensor, ensuring pinpoint accuracy with DPI settings up to 26,000. Connection wireless with 2.4 GHz ultra low latency and optical wired mode for flexibility. Durability premium build with 70 million clicks lifespan for each button. Alright, let's get some gameplay with this beast.